What hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the TCL 65-inch Class S4 4K LED Smart TV with Fire TV. This 2023 model is packed with features that will elevate your home entertainment experience to the next level. Let's start with the 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing a stunningly detailed picture quality that is 4 times the resolution of 1080p Full HD TVs. Combined with motion rate 120 technology, you'll enjoy improved motion clarity for a smooth and immersive viewing experience. TV also supports HDR Pro with Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, delivering enhanced contrast, accurate colors, and fine details for a true to-life visual experience. And with Dolby Atmos built in, you'll be immersed in a cinematic audio experience right in the comfort of your own home. But the entertainment doesn't stop there. With access to over 1 million movies and TV episodes, as well as streaming from popular services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, you'll never run out of things to watch. And with Auto Game Mode, you'll experience the lowest input lag and latency for unmatched gaming performance. Not to mention the sleek full-view metal bezel-less design and 3 HDMI inputs for seamless connectivity to all your devices. Plus, with compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit, you can easily control your TV with voice commands and even share content from your iPhone or iPad via AirPlay. So, if you're ready to take your home entertainment to the next level, be sure to check out the TCL 65-inch Class S4 4K LED Smart TV with Fire TV. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible TV and elevate your viewing experience today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming quat.